Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. This is going to be a fun video because it's going to be about the wheel horse. And what we're going to be doing is probably kind of dumb, but nonetheless, we're going to be testing the top speed of the wheel horse, going from the top of the hill down to the bottom. Yes, we're going to see how fast it'll go. I'll have my phone right here as the speedometer, and we'll have to use the camcorder as the camera while I'm doing this so I can see the speed, and you guys will see a screen recording of it right here on the screen. So without further ado, let's get started. How fast that was. So this one should be the ultimate one right here. This is a pretty steep hill. This is bad. Oh. That is ridiculously fast on this thing. Alright, so I'm going to try to do donuts right here in this mud pit. See what can happen. That was crazy. So we're going to be driving through a big mud puddle up here. And I have my cameraman standing out there. He's going to capture it at a good angle. We good?
I'm good.
About. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright, so I didn't get too muddy, but this thing did. Oh wow, but that was so much fun. The wheel is the same color it was originally now. Well guys, that was a lot of fun. And as you can see, it created a big mess on it too. That's going to have to be cleaned up eventually. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see more videos of the wheel horse, or anything here for that matter, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.